Ito, binili ko din. Woman. Kailangan simula ng business.
Ella, no.
Pamela, no? May YouTube channel. Ay, ako na rin ba, ma? Subukan na sa kwenta.
Kailangan din niya lagayan ng kanyang kailangan niya rin yan. Ano ka ba?
So hello everyone, you know what, today we were gonna have our pre-love selling clothes here in the church that we're gonna use for our worship ignition this coming June 22. So not only from here, here in this place in Bukal, so we'll also go other places to sell clothes and collect money that we will gonna use in our worship ignition. So So ako, napabili din, diba? Hindi. Parang libre na lang to. Libre to because tomorrow I'll gonna give my clothes
Pinakapalit ng damit
for this. Pero parang bagay nga siya sa outfitan ko ngayon. Diba?
Damit po, 20 pesos, 50 pesos lang.
Pero dapat hindi siya naka-buttons. Ganito. Pwede siyang ganito. So since it's already for 4:37, still we are here. So selling the clothes pa rin. So we just transfer from that place to here in front of the church again. So just we bought some drinks for our merienda.
Tupi muna.
second day of our pre-love selling here in the church. So we had some clothes here. So still there are many buyers who got the clothes and bags and shoes
May
here.
bagong tinder. Kaya. Kasi yung bata pa siya eh. Bukod, diba, sabi sa 7. Lose yung
Okay, you know that.
sobrang lang.
So they are in the break. They did not sila. So they are in the break. So they will resume to sell clothes later this afternoon because it's really hot. So when you will resume,
Wala kami tagabantay nun. Pwede po ba?
okay yan. So you will end the pre-love selling today.
Mag-online selling. Meron po kami nabenta sa online.
Si Ate Kelly ang ating
Mga 600 plus.
So done with the pre-love selling clothes. So I'm very happy and congratulate our worship team because they collected enough money for their worship ignition this coming June 22. So I hope they can use it very well and they can use it properly as support to their activity this coming June 22. So we will have a separate blog in their worship ignition event. But for now, this is their preparation for their worship ignition too. So thank you for being with us today. Always remember, be with Jesus.